Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Klassy Traders. Today I thought of making a video on some of the mid-cap stocks which are technically strong even after the so much of market fall, even after the COVID crisis and the Ukraine and Russia war and the election results. The stocks which I have selected, I mean there are a number of stocks, but these are the top 5 stocks from my watch list which I wanted to share with you, which are technically very strong. I mean their charts are very strong. So let's get into the video. The first stock which I wanted to share with you guys is LINDEINDIA. It is LINDEIND. So what I saw on the chart is whenever this stock consolidate in a level, or we can say in a consolidate, whenever this stock goes into the consolidation range, within some range, and it spends some time here, and after spending the time or after the consolidation is completed, whenever the stock gives a breakout of that particular range, it gives a good profit. So now as you can see, there is a support level at the level of 2300 and the resistance level around 2900, or we can say 3000. The stock has last touched around 3000 or 3005 high. Now after that, the stock is actually trying to go up, and the last session was also good. The good news is the stock has not came down till 2300 to touch its support. It is consolidating near the resistance, and I think this can be a good stock for the short term in the sense, not for the intraday. It might be for the 2 to 3 months. In 2 to 3 months this stock can actually give you a return of 20 to 50%, because this is a highly volatile stock. If you can see, the range is around 2300 to 2900, so it is around 600 points of range. So if this gives a breakout here, the next target for this stock will be around 3600. Now if I take you to the historical chart of this particular stock, you can see that the stock has consolidated here at this range for some time, and then after that it has given a breakout. And now into the rectangle pattern. Now before that also the stock has consolidated here a lot and given a breakout. If you can see, this stock has consolidated total this range. So this is a good stock. You can actually keep it in your watch list. If you want to make a position, then definitely you can go with this. And the another positive thing about this particular chart is the chart, or we can say the stock, this particular share LINDEINDIA is in uptrend since 23rd March, or from the March 2020. So it is nearby 2 years and the stock is still holding up. So it means that the investors are putting some interest in it. So you can keep this into the watch list. This is LINDEINDIA. This is a mid cap stock. The next stock which comes for me is TATACHEM. This is one of my favorite stock as well. This can also be used for intraday trading, because in this stock you will be getting a much volatility, so that you can take some intraday profits or make some intraday profits. Now this stock is also into the consolidation range. If I take you to the weekly chart, I mean onto the bigger time frame, this stock was consolidating since it was published. It is a very historical chart. You can see all the years this was consolidating, and after that the stock has given a good breakout, again a consolidation and a breakout. Now due to the nifty fall and news, or due to some bad news, the stock has came down. But even though it has not broken its strong support, which is around 800 levels. If you can see this, this stock has not broken its 800 level, I mean the support from the bottom side. So this stock is at a good level to be purchased, or you can keep it in hold in your watch list. You can definitely make a position in this. And for this stock, my target comes around, the first target comes around will be 1160, which is its all-time high. And after that, the stock we might see a rally, because it is consolidating a lot. So keep an eye on this TATACHEM. The third is this is an insurance company, MFSL, Max Financial Services Limited. So this one, Max Financial Services Limited. This stock has shown a good rise after the COVID fall, and now the stock is actually into the consolidation range. Now I don't say this as a fall, because it is retracing for the rise which has seen. Now if I put the indicator Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top, if you can see here, this is a total rise and the stock is actually retracing. I mean, this is around 38%. Yeah, 0.382% or around, you can take it as 50%. So stock is actually trying to get reversal from here. So once it gets reverse, the first target for this stock will be around its all-time high, which is around 1150. Once it break its 1150, then definitely this stock you might also see again a good rise in this particular stock. So keep this stock as well into the watch list, and definitely you can start making a position in this. But do not make a position in the future and options thinking that the stock might go up in the stock might rush away or the stock might go in a speed. So don't do that thing. Always play safe whenever you are into the stock market. And definitely if you are a beginner, then definitely do not touch these stocks into the intraday or future, or thinking that option that I will be making money easily. So please don't do that. Be slow and make the profits. Don't lose your capital, because if you lose your capital, you will not be able to invest in again. Then you need to gather all the money. Then it's a very big story. I will definitely make a video on the tips for how to trade into the stock market, how, when and how to do the intraday as well. So I will be making the videos on different scenarios what I have learned in my experience. So this was the MFSL, this was the third stock, and another stock is from pharma sector, that is LAURUSLABS. Yeah, LAURUSLABS is also consolidating. If you can see here, this stock is into the consolidation range. This is also not into the fall zone. This is a support. Around 450 level is a support for this stock. And after the so much of price from here, I mean from 80 rupees, or we can take 100 rupees, the stock has became 7 times bigger. It has touched the high of 724, and after that a small retracement is acceptable in this stock. It is actually a healthy correction, we can say. So now it has given a small resistance breakout. If you can see in this particular range, there was some resistance, and it has given a good breakout here, and the volume is also good. So I think the breakout might sustain now, and it can go up to its all-time high of 720, and there it might take a rest. Definitely you can add this particular stock into your watch list and also make a position in this. Fifth one is SYNGENE, SYNGENE, SYNGENE International. Now this stock is totally into the consolidation range. After a good rise, the stock is into the consolidation range, and from the support it is getting reversed. If you can see here, let me draw a support line for you. See, this 520 or 500 level is the support, and exactly from the support it is getting reversed. Now definitely you can make a position if the stock goes on Monday itself, if the stock goes above the high of previous day, that is Friday. The high was 581. So you can definitely make a position in this, and you can hold the stock till its high of 670 or 680 rupees, or even a round figure of 700 rupees. So once it breaks its range, that is a resistance range of 650, if it breaks the range, once it has tried, but it was not able to sustain the resistance there, it has came down till the support, and from there again it has risen. Now the stock is back at support. Now it will rise definitely till 650 rupees. If you have made the position here somewhere around, then definitely your stop loss will be much less here. Now making a position, I don't think is good at this particular stage, but definitely if you are a risky trader, then definitely you can make a position and carry the stock till 650 and 700 levels. So these were the 5 stocks, guys, and I will be also making a video on different stocks whenever I find for short term and long term. Now before investing, do your own analysis. Whatever the view I have shared for this 5 particular stock is about my view. The money is yours. Whenever you want to invest, do your own analysis, or if you have a financial advisor, please take advice before investing the money. Thank you so much, guys. See you guys in the next video.